Linking your bank account to South State Bank NA is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Access online banking. Visit the South State Bank website and log into your online banking account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing the required personal information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Link Account section in the menu. This area is typically found under your Profile or Account Management options. Step 3. Select Link New Account. In the Account Settings section, look for an option that says Link New Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank information, review all details for accuracy and submit your request. You may need to verify the linking through a confirmation email or by providing additional identification. Follow any prompts to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to South State Bank NA. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.